A very sweet morning to my sweetest children. So, in today's EVS class, we'll be doing question answers from this chapter, Being Safe. We have been revising this chapter past so many days. So, today we are all set. We are ready to write the answers to the questions, right? Okay, so here we begin. Chapter number 4, write date, question answers. Now, before we start, I must tell you that now you should develop the habit of answering the question in sentences and not only in the words. Okay, we will start answer from the question itself. For example, the question is why, question number 1, why should we not play with fire? Why should we not play with fire? So your answer will start like, we should not play with fire because we can burn ourselves. We should not play with fire because we can burn ourselves, or we can get burned. Anything you can write. All right, this is the new word for you, ourselves. ourselves means to yourself, अपने आप को. Okay. Number 2 is, why should we not run in a corridor? Why should we not run in a corridor? Yes, again we will start answer from the question itself. We should not run in a corridor. Let's repeat. We should not run in a corridor as we may fall and get hurt. In place of because, we can also use as. We should not run in a corridor as we may fall and get hurt. Okay, question number 3 is, who should you let not enter the house? Who should you let not enter the house? Tell me. There is a correction. Who should you not let enter the house? So answer will be, we should not let strangers enter the house. We should not let strangers enter the house. Okay, let's move on to question number 4. What are emergency? Emergency. This is the new word for you, emergency. Numbers to call ambulance and fire brigade. These all are new terms for you. Let me explain. Emergency means when there is immediate need of something which has to be happened quickly. Emergency. When you are in a trouble. Okay. What are emergency numbers to call ambulance? Why do we need an ambulance? When people are sick and not able to move, we take them to the hospital in an ambulance. Okay. So, if there is an accident on the road or even at home, you need an ambulance to get those people to the hospital. So, what is the number? There is a special number, a specific number to call ambulance. And in case there is a fire, so the firefighters come, right? So we call them fire brigade. Fire brigade. So what are the numbers to call them? You should know these numbers in case of any kind of emergency. Okay? To call an ambulance, we must dial 102. And to call a fire brigade, the number is 101. Alright? For fire brigade, if there is a fire at your home, at your shop, or anywhere else, so what is the first thing to do? Ring this number, dial this number 101 and call the fire brigade. And in case of other kind of accident, you need to get them to the hospital, call an ambulance for number 102. Okay, so these are the question answer which you have to note down in your notebook today. Alright, so and start learning the question answers. But you know that we don't restrict to only these question answers for the assessment. Okay, So, this is all for today. Note down all these questions and start learning them. Bye bye. Keep enjoying life, keep learning.